Hello everyone. In this video, we'll be learning about image processing method. We'll be having the Landsat image, okay, which has been downloaded from the Woven, and with the help of that Landsat image, we'll try to identify the feature, okay, like what are different kind of feature like river, then mountain, then the forest area. In this way, we'll try to identify the features which is available on the Landsat image. Our A to karne ki hobo, we have one method, amar eta process ase that is called as image processing. QGIS সহায়ত আমি এই features বোৰ আমি identify কৰিব পাৰিম. Okay, so now let's start with this one, the work. Okay, now first of all, what we will do, we have to insert the Landsat image. Okay, for inserting the Landsat image, we'll just click on layer. After clicking on layer, click on add layer, then add the raster layer. Click on it, then you select the folder from where you want to insert the file. Okay, so my Landsat image has been stored in a particular folder, so I'm moving to that particular folder and I'll be selecting the required uh, data. Okay, so I have this Landsat image. So here I have three band. Okay, band 1, band 2 and band 3. So you need to select all this three band. Sorry, it's here. Okay, this is band 1, band 2 and band 3. Okay, so I'll be selecting this three band 1, band 2 and band 3. Okay, then click on open, then click on add. Okay, then close. Now see, the Landsat image which was downloaded from Woven, it is being inserted. Okay, it is being inserted in the QGIS. Now we are ready for the image processing. That means what the different features which are available over here will be at, we'll try to identify all those particular feature. So this map has been now we can see this map is inserted on the screen on the QGIS. Now we are ready to identify the different features which is available on this particular image. Okay, এইটো ইমেজৰ বিভিন্ন ধৰণৰ তোমাৰ features আছে যেনেকৈ আমি shape দেখি লও গম পাইছো. Okay, so আমি কি কৰিম, will try to identify. Okay, so this is like a band, the different band that we have, band 1, band 2 and band 3. We can see band 1. Okay, this is band 2 and band 3. In this way we are having three band. Just make it smaller. Okay, done. Okay, now after that, let us this one, what do we call, let us activate this show plugin option, that is SCP. Okay, click on it and the plugin option will be visible. Okay, then after that click on this refresh button. Okay, so all the three band that we have over here, okay, this particular that three band we have, it will be added in this particular segment. Then okay, select it. Okay, after clicking on refresh, then click select, then click on add. Okay, so after selecting adding, your this band will be added over here. Always what you need to keep in mind is that the band are in sequence order. Okay, so this is number 2 band, number 3 band and number 4 band. If you see that this is not arranged in sequence manner, if you find the number band number 4 is over here, band number 2 is over here, you need to arrange it according to the band number. So it is already being arranged 2, 3 and 4. After that, go downward. Just make it smaller. Then click on this one. Okay, then click on run. Okay, next you have to select a folder where you want to save all this band. So I want to save, I don't want to save in this particular folder, I want to save it in Landsat image. Okay, in this particular folder I want to select it, then select the folder. Okay, the folder has been selected. It will give you a signal. Okay, okay, so now you cross it. Now you can see the color has been changed. Okay, that means what, these are the false color composite, which we call it as the FCC. Okay, so that means what this is in false color composite. We need to identify the feature, and then after identifying the feature we can give the correct color. Like for water we can give blue color, for forest we can give green color. So these are not the correct color. First we need to identify, important identify korim aru tar piছত identify kora pisot ki koi ami protek feature ki nijor nijor color dim, jeneke forest or karone ami green color dim, for the mountainous area we can give brown color. In this way we can do it. Okay, now after that click on this first option. Okay, just right click, then go to properties. After going to properties, okay, here we have band 1, band 2 and band 3. So what you need to do is you have to make this one as band 3, make this one as band 2, it's correct, and this one will be band 3, band 1, sorry. So band 3, 2 and 1. Okay, then click on apply, then okay. So this is the correct false color composite. Etu tuma ase correct false color composite, which you call it as FCC in short form. Or we can identify the feature. Okay, in processing you have to activate this SCP plugin. Okay, activate it, then you will find this one. So this already has been done. Okay, sorry. Okay, so once you click on it, you can see this menu will appear. So you bring it on the then click on this one, training input. Okay, after clicking on training input, click on this one. Okay, then suppose let me name it as training center. Training center is suppose 1. Okay, in which folder I am saving it? In Sangeeta the Lancet image. Okay, then save it. Okay, then this is 3 to 1 band, then I'll just bring it upward. Then what you do, you unselect all this, just unselect all this, not this one, this 3 band that you have, 3, 2 and 1, sorry 2, 3 and 4, this 3 band you unselect it. Okay, then we are ready for okay, now we are ready for this one, processing of the image. Okay, then okay. Then after this, select on this particular option, that is create the polygon. Okay, select it, then zoom the area which you want to identify. So first let us identify the forest area. Okay, so this particular area, if you see, so this is a mountainous area. Okay, which is covered by forest. Okay, আমি দেখিছো অলপ relief to মানে up and down হয়. So it seems that this is a forested area. Okay, so therefore we'll be creating the will be polygonizing this area. Then what you do is select on this one, then no need to polygonize the whole area, just select a part of it in this way. Okay, so this has been done. At the end point, just right click, then go to this particular part. Okay, you can bring it upward if you can see the whole view. So here you have to name it. Okay, so what you have created ID, this two ID has to be same, like 1 and 1. This is the first feature that we are creating. Then this is what a forest area, suppose. Okay, you have to give a name to this identification. So this is forest area, and the name you give it as forest, FOREST, forest. Okay, then click on this one, this particular option, then click it. We have to wait till this is 100%. Now এটা কথা মনত থবা যে তোমালোকে একেটা চাব, এইটো যদি ফৰেষ্ট এৰিয়া হয়, চ' তোমালোকে যিমানে মানে ফৰেষ্ট এৰিয়াত যিমানে তোমালোকে পলিগনবোৰ দিয়া সিমানে তোমাৰ আইডেন্টিফিকেশ্যনটো ভাল হ'ব. চ' মই আৰু অলপ এইফালে দিব বিচাৰিছোঁ. অ'কে, চ' ডেট আইডেন্টিফিকেশ্যনটো আৰু বেছি ভাল হওক, কাৰেক্ট হওক, একুৰেট হয়, বিকজ ইয়াত মানে ফিচাৰ্ছবোৰ তোমাৰ বিচাৰিবলৈ বহুত বেছি দিগদাৰ হয়. অ'কে, So the id will be same since this is the same eketa feature ami jehetu kori asu. So forest area, so this would be same. Then click on save. Okay, then it has to be 100%. We have to wait for that. Okay, now okay, one more I want to create this side. Okay, I will zoom it, or let me just create here one. Okay, so click on it, then polygonize the part that you have selected. Okay, click at the end, then do right click. Okay, so the id will be same since we are selecting the forest area. Id will be same, the forest area. Then click on save. Okay, now since we have selected 3 point, now what we have to do, we have to merge it. Okay, ami beleg belege kori thobo noro, ami gutei tinta milai pele eta koribo lagibo. So what you will do, already this is selected. Okay, or you select it in this way, this one, this one, kita lola he kita select kori pele yete tuma merge option ase. Okay, merge it. Okay, here we have another option, you can just merge it, then click on it. Okay, merge highlighted signature, then click on yes. Okay. So you can see after merging all this, we have found out this one a new name, that is a merge forest. Tamane ki koribo lagibo, baki kita ami this tree you have to delete it. Okay, for deleting, first gote tinta select koriba, select kori pene you have this for deleting, then click on it, then yes. Okay, so this has been done. Okay, if you want to change the color, okay, you can change the color to something else like green color, then click on OK. Okay, now let us go with the second one. So I will zoom it. Okay, so this part, if you see, these are the agriculture land. I mean, jodi bhalke sao. Okay, I mean, dekhi je etu all tomar rectangle ba square shape ase, tamne ekhni ki hoise tomar agriculture land hoy. So we'll go over here, click it, then add the polygon. Right click. So this MCI ID will be number 2. This is the second part, so we can give the name as agricultural area, and give the name as agriculture. Okay, then click on save. Okay, then let us add some more. should be two same ID. Then agriculture area, click on save. Okay, then let me add some more. The more you add, more would be the accuracy. Okay, so this would be 2 only. Then 0. Okay, then we have this side also will be adding. Okay, so this is number 2. Then agriculture area, save. Okay, and where else we can find the agriculture? I think here also we can find it. So here also we'll be adding the polygon in this area. This is 2. Then save it. Then here also we have okay. This 2. Then save it. Okay. So now let's say what else do we have? Now these are the barren land. Okay, এইটো যেটো কালাৰ হয় তাৰমানে এইটো কমপ্লিটলি ফৰেষ্ট এৰিয়া হয় মানে যেটো ল্যান্ডস্কেপ ইমেজ লোৱা হৈছিলে সেইটো তোমাৰ অলপ হিলি এৰিয়া মানে ফুটহিল ৰিজনৰ পৰা লোৱা হৈছিলে ওকে অৰুণাচল হিলটো আছিলে তাৰপিছত এইবোৰ সব ফুটহিল ৰিজন হয় দেন দ্যাট মিন্স হোৱাট দিস ইজ এ ফৰেষ্ট এৰিয়া এইবোৰ তোমাৰ মানে তোমাৰ শিফটিং কাল্টিভেশ্যন নিচিনা হয় ওকে তাৰমানে তোমাৰ গছ গছনিবোৰ কাটি পেনে হিয়া দি শিফটিং কাল্টিভেশ্যন ইজ ডান অৰ উই কেন সে দি জুম কাল্টিভেশ্যন because ডাঙৰ plot of land বোৰ নাই আমাৰ so here then near to the foothill region always we have the barren land so এইবোৰ কি আছে এইবোৰ মাটি তোমাৰ একো কাৰণত ইউজ নহয় এইবোৰ আছে তোমাৰ barren land these are the barren land so let us identify this feature also okay. Let me add the polygon and this way you can add it right click so this is our another this is number 3 then this is barren land so you can give it as barren okay then save it then let us choose this side also so that we have the better classification okay these are all the barren land so you select it so this would be 3 barren land save it okay same way let us select some more this barren land number 3 and save it then let us add some more over here okay so it's done now we have to do one thing we have to merge all the file for agriculture and let us merge it okay select it click on this one merge option, then merge the highlighted signature. Has been merged. Now we will delete the unwanted part. This is a merge agriculture, that means we'll be deleting this individual part. So select it, then delete it. Yes. Then again same way, select it, then delete it. Okay, so we have the merge barren land, merge agricultural land, and the merge forest land. Okay, now let us identify the another feature, that is the river. Okay, this one. So click on it. So this is ID number, I think 4. Okay, this will be 4. Water bodies. So under water bodies we have this river. And click on save. Then let me just add one more over here. So this is also river, ID will be 4. Then click on save. Okay, now let us merge it. Sorry, not this one. Merge it. Okay, so it's done. Now let us merging has been done, so let us delete it now. Okay. Okay, so what else do we have? These are the sandbar. Okay, so let us digitize these also. These are the sandbar that we have. So this is ID number 5. Okay, sandbar. Then click on save. Similarly, let us give it here. These are the sandbar. blue color. Okay, just blue color. Then for sandbar I am selecting this what color should I select? Olop enuka gray type of color মই select কৰিছো ha for sandbar. Then for settlement area I'll be choosing another red color. তোমালোকে আৰু dark কৰিব পাৰা if you want. Okay. Then for highland তোমালোকে অলপ ৰিজনেবল কালাৰবোৰ চুজ কৰিবা জি টি কালাৰ চুজ নকৰিবা মানে নিজ ফিচাৰ্ছৰ লগত মিলাই মেলিহে কালাৰবোৰ চিলেক্ট কৰিবা এইটো এটা কি কালাৰ ন সাপোজ মই এইটো কালাৰ লৈ লৈছো অলপ কালাৰবোৰ একে একে হৈ গৈছে হৈছে ওকে আই এম ডান আই থিংক দেন মই আকৌ বা ইমেজ প্ৰসেসিং কৰিব লাগিব